Kids, today let's prepare sweet poha. Let us see what all we need. We need poha. This is tin poha. 1 cup. Jaggery, coconut, ghee, banana, dry fruits. Let's start. Take a bowl for mixing. Add 1 bowl of poha, 2 spoons of jaggery, 2 spoons of coconut, grated coconut, half spoon of ghee, two spoons of cut banana. You can add any other fruits you like. And dry fruits. I have taken raisins and almonds. You can also add any other dry fruits like cashew, dates, walnuts, etc. Let's mix all the ingredients together. Now everything is mixed together and ready to eat.